Hello, friends. Thank you so much for reading with me again. Please like and subscribe. This is Hebrews 12:18 through 24, the glorious company. While you find Hebrews 12:18, I'll read something that'll give you some time. Jesus, the perfect model of faith, obeyed God to the point of death. He looked beyond his immediate pain and circumstances and knew that his sacrifice would bring life to others. The glorious company. For you have not come to the mountain that may be touched and that burned with fire, and to blackness and darkness and tempest, and the sound of a trumpet, and the voice of words, so that those who heard it begged that the sound would not be spoken to them any more, for they could not endure what was commanded. And if so much as a beast touches the mountain, it shall be stoned or shot with an arrow. And so terrifying was the sight that Moses said, I am exceedingly afraid and trembling. But you have come to Mount Zion and to the city of the living God, the heavenly Jerusalem, to an innumerable company of angels, to the general assembly and the church of the firstborn, who are registered in heaven, to God, the judge of all, to the spirits of the just men made perfect, to Jesus the mediator of the new covenant, and to the blood of the sprinkling that speaks better things than that of Abel. Thank you, friends.